The Volta River Authority has predicted massive power cuts to industries come 2015 if ECG fails to settle the over 1 billion cedis it owed the authority.
The VRA says any delay in settling the payment could worsen the power crisis. Meanwhile, AGI says it is still monitoring the load shedding guide by ECG and would respond to it next week.
VRA says it is worried that the current power crisis could worsen from 2015 if ECG fails to settle the over 1 billion cedis it owes. Currently, according to the VRA, gas supply from the Jubilee fields is hovering around 60 million cubic feet to power the existing equipment. But the authority is concerned failure to increase investments from now till year 2020 could have dire consequences on the energy sector.
Our plan is showing that for next year we are going to run short about 500 megawatts. So that is how come government is trying to put in place this idea of getting a power badge, which is about 450 megawatts, to try and bridge the gap. Definitely when we're able to bridge the gap, everybody will get power, including industry. But now that the gap hasn't been bridged, we are expecting industry to also support a little bit the domestic, so that the domestic will at least have some breathing space with this load shedding business.
Already, industries are bearing the brunt of the ongoing load shedding exercise by the Electricity Company of Ghana. The Association of Ghana Industries has indicated plans to monitor the load shedding guide and would soon respond.
Generally speaking, some are saying yes, they are going by it. Others said they also go off intermittently. And you know, it's also been explained to us that when they say load shedding, it does not mean that the days that you have power there wouldn't be any interruption at all. Occasionally you can have interruption. When we put this together and we get the understanding of what really happened, then we'll make a judgment as to whether we're going strictly by it or not.
One of the affiliates of AGI, GASM, expressed surprise the ECG failed to conduct a broader consultation before implementing the load shedding guide. Badly affected by the power cuts, GASM is still considering whether to lay off workers or not.
It doesn't really come to that yet, but looking at the outlook, energy is very key when it comes to industries. And I cite my company as an example. Very, very key. Production is key. Dependence seriously on energy. Consistent. It's something which is really worrying. It is something that I think we need to go back to a table and look really seriously at what we can do so far as actually the energy is concerned. But we are saying that of course we appreciate what they are going through, the load shedding management. Yes, if it's a national policy that we have to do it, but allow the industries just to do the regulation themselves.